Thank you for watching this video. Hello friends, welcome to Lambaggings. This is Durva the Way. Today we will see how chemical change occurs. There are two types of change that naturally occur. First is the physical change and second is the chemical change. When physical change occurs, no bonds are broken or created. But when a chemical change occurs, the chemical composition of the material is completely changed. Since no bonds are broken or formed, the physical change can be observed when there is a change in the state of the material, that is, either solid, liquid, or in the gaseous form. But as the internal composition changes when a chemical change occurs, one can observe the change in color, odor, melting point, and boiling point of the substance. The formation of the substance can be sometimes observed when a physical change occurs. But when a chemical change occurs, one can observe precipitate, formation of bubbles, release of gases, which changes the composition of the matter. Physical changes are mostly reversible, which means that the original state of the compound can be brought back. But chemical changes are generally irreversible, which means that we cannot get back the original components, though there are exceptions in both the cases. Now, the real question arises: how a chemical change occurs? It will occur when two reactants are mixed, due to which new bonds will be formed or the existing bonds will break. If either of the phenomena doesn't occur, the atoms of the reactants might simply rearrange themselves. This is how chemical change occurs. And when it occurs, the properties of the material change. There are various types of chemical changes that one might observe in day-to-day life, like burning of wood, digestion, composition of fruits and vegetables, photosynthesis, and lots more. Let us understand in brief about a few of them. Iron rust. You might have observed rusting of iron at some point in your life. Ever wondered how it occurs? It occurs when iron comes in contact with oxygen, but in the presence of moisture, and moisture contains water. So, it is a chemical change between iron and oxygen in the presence of water, which yields hydrated iron oxide, or more generally known as rust. Another fine example of chemical change that you might have generally observed in autumn is the leaf changing its color. This phenomena occurs when chlorophyll, the pigment responsible for the green color in plants, breaks down, due to which the plants lose their green color. When this happens, another pigment known as anthocyanin comes to the rescue, that is responsible for the red color in plants, which protects the plants from harmful sun rays. Isn't that beautiful? And the most important example is cooking. Various processes take place when food is being cooked, like boiling, frying, baking, etc. These processes change the chemical composition of the food entirely, which cannot be reversed back. This change in chemical composition brings with it the change in flavor, color, nutritional properties, and etc. At the end, we get is delicious food. The chemical change does not occur out of nowhere. There are various factors that cause the chemical change. Let us now have a look at few factors that affect the chemical change. Factors like temperature provide reaction the necessary energy that it needs in order to progress. Similarly, catalysts generally help push the reaction so that it progresses at a faster pace. When one changes the concentration of the reactants, the equilibrium of the reaction shifts to the side of the products, which simply means that the reaction is proceeding further. The state of the reactant will also affect the chemical change, as a particular element or molecule might sometimes react differently when in different state. For example, it will react faster when in liquid state rather than the solid state, or vice versa. As we saw earlier how moisture speeds up the rusting process, it similarly helps accelerate the chemical change or even initiates it. These factors either initiate a chemical change or they help push forward a chemical reaction. Thank you for watching this video.
Please visit our website lambdageeks.com for more articles on technology, engineering, mathematics, and various other domains. You can check our other website as well. We have features like YouTube trends, Twitter trends, scientific calculator, and many more other tools. If you like our video, please like, comment and share. If you have any questions, please comment and we will resolve your query.